So I think this guy almost kidnapped someone. But that child was like a Somalian daughter or Somalian child. So see how many Somalians are here. So the guy ran. So I stop him there, block him there. The guy didn't.
Nice one.
So he just stand here and ran into the police station. But if he didn't run
So
inside,
the driver was trying to kidnap someone.
yeah,
Is
this
it a lady?
guy. I think it's a lady child. So see how many Somalians are here. These are too little. In Biavo there, they were full. They were chasing him and he had an accident, I don't know where. I block him there, he ran to police station. See at his car now. But he did a good choice to run here. They were going to kill him.
No.
They were going to kill him like
So the
straight.
Somalians were going to kill other Somalians.
They were going to kill this guy, the one who tried to rob. It's not from
the
Somalia.
black or-
The black, yeah. He ran inside police station. They were going to kill him straight. You know how many clowns were here? See? Wow, this is Somalian guys. They wanted to kidnap their child, so now they're upset.